Okay, hello, this is my video review of Transformers animated blurs. Okay, let's just first don't talk about this guy first, okay? Because I'm sorry about that Transformer that was a lockdown that the Legends is really Rick and Barry, I just painted it. I'm lying, so sorry. So yeah, let's go back over here. It's okay. It's a nice car. No, what kind of car it is. Still, it's nice. See, he has a hole over there because this hole will don't roll. The only is here that roll. It's okay. There's a Autobot symbol over here and here. Delete guard symbol. Nice lights. Okay, transform here. First, take off this piece and take off this piece. Separate a little bit over here and fold this piece. And rotate his head. Pull this down, Take off the two arms, the side, pull this thing up, pull the other side up too. Fold this thing down, fold this piece down. After you fold this piece down, you just simply pull this thing to the side and rotate it down and around. Rotate it down and around. Okay, his feet, rotate it, flip those. Then we've got now animated blur. It's way big enough. Okay. We have forgotten this piece. This piece I didn't know why Hasbro did it to me. Okay, I bought it like this. You can see it needs to be locked into place, but still it doesn't locks. The other hand, if you take off its clip, it locks. So the other hand don't lock. That's why I hate this. I mean, I didn't hate it, but still it's okay. It's okay. See this arm gun, just simply push this. You've got his blades. You can hold it in here. It clips. So then it's clipped now. You can hide the back parts. Take off this tape. There's two holes over there, and there's a peg over here. Just pull it through. Then you got now. Then it's now locked, and you've got the blur. It's okay. Thanks for watching. This is Adam YouTuber again. Bye.